Hi guys, it's Thomas Plays MCPE here, and I'm going to be doing cookie build, but it's a server onto Minecraft. So I got Hypixel, the L9L is a FNAF server, but it won't let me in. Like when it lets me in, I can't move like around. So, and I got Skywars, which is and I got Broken Lens, and I got Skywars, Lifeboat, Skywars, and the MP is Mineplex, CB Cookie Build. Yeah. So I don't. So this hello me. Hi me. Okay, so technically in cookie build you have to do like, see, you can do like, you have to do buildings stuff, or just chooses what you do. And I don't know what to do. Technically, what do I do? Hey, the ultimate is the skin that I used to have. Yeah, what do I technically do? Alexis. Bang, bang, bang. Hey, I got 2 blocks. What the hell? And what the shit? I can't even hit. Oh my god. Wait. Someone got diamond. I've been hearing a lot. And no, I guess no. The ultimate was in our zone. So technically, what do we do? Shit. Starting soon. Wow, so just wait. Okay, when this starts, I will unpause it, so I'm gonna pause it right now. See ya. Okay, so technically, guys, I disconnected. So, where's that? It's over here. Nope, it's over here. And tap to play, and tap to play. Yay, I'm finally in the blue team. Yay! What the hell were you doing? I like the other one. Hey, broskies. I can't. Ah! Oh. Boo, bang. Oh crap, that means. Boo! How the hell? I can't hit. Magazia! Crystals! No, I need to. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn it. Okay, so I technically. Hello. So I technically. Hey, Crystals. Lovely seeing you again. Your kit's none. Selected kit default. Hello, Thomas Plays MCPE. Welcome on Cookie Build. Your coins 0. Your kits none. Selected kit developed. Pupa pita pa lupa mapa. Mobility. Arrow. Done. Okay. I hate this. I can. Oh, seriously. Oh yay! Happy seeing you again, Diamond Miner. But I can't go across. But I don't know why. So it's just me and Diamond. Oh no, me and Spleefs. Yes. How the hell is this happening? I was the one started all of this. I should end it. Oh. Yeah. Mad. Team Blue won the game too. Yes. No. Oh, come on. Hit you! Oh, damn it. Oh, look up. Hack. What? Seriously? Nothing. Look up. Hack. What? Me no see anyone hacking. Bang bang, it shot me down. Madman, he cut me down. Bang bang, he shot me down. Bang bang, he shot me down. Bang bang. Yay! That was an epic game. Dinosaur stuff. Oh, I still have a... Oh, damn it. Yay, man. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I was blue. I was green. Hey. Is he saying it to me, or was he saying it to Naria? Yay, this is a new game, except for not really. When you say not really, I mean not really. This is gonna be easy. Yeah, that wasn't easy at all. Map built by ZenCloud. I'm a bad builder. I'm a bad builder. I'm a bad builder. What? Why? Wait, is Christian even in a team? Oh, it's Chris. Oh yeah, he is. Oh no, it started. Wait, what? No, it didn't. It didn't even start. Okay, it really did. Start! Hey. I'm really angry. I'm getting shot by. Seriously. Okay guys, so that's it for Cookie Build. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I really did not enjoy dying all the time. Wait, who won? You have been eliminated. No one won. Damn it. Dum dum dummer, dum 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 dummer, dum dummer, dum dum. Hello, hello. Alright, just like I said, video is over, or recording is over. So, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment. Because if you comment, I'll give you another video. Comment and like. I'll give you another video of, but not cookie build, but I'm going to look for something else, a different server. I'll be checking in YouTube, checking if you commented, liked, and I'll be checking for what kind of servers I should do, or maybe you could comment on which server I should do. Oh my gosh, how do you get capes? Oh, so unfair. So unfair. I already made mine.